All right, guys, so I got some new deals for Harbor Freight. Found this online. This is a leaked flyer January savings event at Harbor Freight. So this is going to be good from January 21st through the 22nd. So let's go ahead and jump into some of these deals. So first up, we got the Icon Professional Roll Cabinet. So $2,500 for this. This is normally right around $3,000. Pretty nice deal on that. And if you got the Harbor Freight credit card, can do 0 interest with this one, so that's pretty nice if you want to do payment plans. But a really nice deal on that, available in 4 different colors, $500 discount on that. Really good deal. They got the Pittsburgh 2-ton low profile floor jack with rapid pump, $80. Another pretty good deal over here. This is huge. Save on all as is and clearance items. So everybody 30% off. If you're inside Track Club, you're going to get 40% off. This excludes open box items, and this is valid in-store and in-stock items only. So every store might be a little bit different, but if you go to Harbor Freight's website, you can just check in on their clearance deals. Like I said, this is in-stores only, so you got to make sure that they're in stock. But you can browse through some of their clearance deals. They got some Bauer stuff here, some power tools for Bauer. And you're going to add that extra percentage off of these already low prices. Got some batteries. Look at this. They got the Hallmaster. This is the older trailer, $379. Throw that extra discount on that. You got the Pittsburgh floor jack. This Centec, I haven't seen this in a while, but this is also clearanced out. So you'll be able to pick up some nice deals on these clearance items. But like I said, you got to go in stores. They got these power stations too. Huge discount on these power stations. So this is the 550 watt hour Jackery, $300 clearanced out. Throw that extra discount on that. Real nice deal. They got the EcoFlow. That's going to cut it down a lot there. As you guys can see, they got 7 pages here. But just go ahead, jump on Harbor Freight's website and just type in clearance in the search bar, and you'll be able to see what they got for clearance. And like I said, you'll be able to add on that extra percentage off, which I think is a heck of a deal. So we'll jump back into what they're having on sale for this January savings event. So they got the Viking Jump Starter Power Pack, and it's got the air compressor built in for $150. We got the Apache 5800 weatherproof case for $50. Cover Pro for $90. We got the Apex Badlands winch. This is the 12,000 pound winch with the steel rope and wireless remote, $500. We got the Diamondback tile saw, $200 for that one. Of course, we got to have some Fortress compressors in here, so $140 for the 1 gallon ultra quiet compressor. We got some Pittsburgh wrenches. These are the V-Groove combination 14 piece for $25. Guys doing any brake jobs, we got the Maddox disc brake pad and caliper service toolkit, 11 piece for $30. Got the Bauer electric chainsaw for $65. We got the hex key set under $4. The stud finder, $13 for that. The Bunker Hill ammo box under $5. Utility knife, $7. These tool bags, nice cheap tool bag. If you just want to throw some tools in, throw them in your vehicle, under $4 for that. And then they got some USB cables for $17. They got the 1,000-pound loading ramps here for $80. Motorcycle carrier for $130. Steel cargo carrier for $80. And then they got the universal roof crossbars for $60. They also got the full-size truck rack for $200. Ratcheting load binder, $40 for that. And then we got some manual chain hoists. We got the 1-ton for $55, and then we got the 2-ton for $70. Jump into a few Pittsburgh items here. 800-pound low lift transmission jack, $170. Foldable engine stand for $170. Or we got the 440-pound capacity electric hoist with remote for $85. All the way to the right, we got the Daytona 3-ton low-profile Super Duty floor jack with rapid pump. This is yellow only for $200. Another Viking item here. We got the jumper cables. Always good to have some jumper cables, especially if you don't have a jump pack. $35 for that. Got the code reader for $130. Fluid extractor for $70. And then we got the Badlands 48-inch farm jack for $70. And then we got the Daytona creeper with adjustable headrest for $65. Got some items here in yellow, a few casters, got your turn signals, tire repair, some bar clamps. These come in handy. 6-inch for under $2 or the 12-inch for under $3. We got some U.S. General stuff. So top chest, available in 8 colors, $220 for that. Nice pickup. And then they also have the Work Center hutch, $600. This is normally $700. Not a bad pickup there. We got the Storehouse bin rack, $35. And then we got some Icon tools. So we got the 3/8-inch drive click torque wrench, $70. Professional high torque T-handles, 8-piece for $30. And then we got some pliers. We got the 12-inch for $15, 17-inch for $25, and then the 21-inch for $35. Jump into some more Pittsburgh stuff. So 3/8-inch hex socket set, 6-piece, $6. Screwdriver set for $10, and we got the T-handles for $15. Cold chisels and punch set, 12-piece for $10. Also got the 1/2-inch drive socket set, 16-piece. You can get this in SAE or metric for $22. Some more combination wrenches, 146-piece tool set with case for $50. And then we got the 1/2-inch drive breaker bar. This is a 25-inch for $13. Down in the yellow area here, got a few things. You got your trim toolkit for $10. Pick and hook set for under $1. Extension cord. These paintbrushes are nice, under $4 for those. And then we got the crossbar dent repair kit for under $10. All right, we got some Bauer stuff here. So we got 2 chargers. This one's $25, and then we got a cheaper one for $20. We got the narrow crown stapler tool only. This is 18 gauge for $80, and then the SDS tool only, also $80. Also for Bauer, they got the large modular toolbox, $35, not a bad pickup there. Got the 7-inch polisher sander for $70, the 1/2-inch drill mixer for $45, and then we also have the 12-inch disc sander for $160. All right, we'll jump into some Hercules deals. Here is the 10-inch table saw with rack and pinion fence for $280. We got the 2-amp-hour 12-volt battery for $20. And then we got the 6.5-inch circular saw tool only. It's 20-volt for $50. Atlas battery for $200. We got the Banks roofing nailer for $100. The Air belt sander for $75. And then we got a hammer chisel set here, 6-piece for $50. Filter regulator by Merlin for $80. Then we got some more stuff in the yellow. Got the rubber hose. Let's see what else we got. I like these step drill bits, under $4 for that. And then here is a cheap drill kit with battery and charger for $15. Some more Bauer deals. Got the 8-inch bench grinder with LED light for $75. This was $100. And then we got the corded jet fan blower for $55. We got the Predator water pump for $190. A few extension cords here. Let's see what else we got. We got the Hallmaster working platform for $30. A couple Franklin deals. Here's the Jupiter modified sine wave power inverter for $260. Some welding gloves. We also got the Central Machinery benchtop wood lathe for $240. Bandsaw for $265. Some bungee cords. The C-clamp. Some batteries. And the 4-way trailer wiring harness connector kit. And that's about it for this January event. I wanted to run through these really quick, guys, because I got to this kind of late. And I wanted to put this out tonight if possible, just so you guys are prepared once the sale runs tomorrow on the 21st. So I think one of the best deals is this 30% off or 40% off of these clearance deals. So definitely check out your clearance deals when you go. It's probably going to be a first come, first serve basis. So if you can get there early, knock off this extra 30% or 40% off those already low prices on those clearance deals. I think that's a heck of a pickup there, guys. So like I said, just run through it real quick, just so you guys are aware of what's going on at Harbor Freight. This is their January savings event, January 21st through the 26th. I'm going to hurry up, edit this, try to get it out to you guys tonight on the 20th. So you guys are prepared for this sale for the rest of the week. Hopefully you found some value in this video. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you on the next one.